Oh yeah, we back out here. Look at the sky, looking beautiful today. Back out here on another adventure with that boy Ray. We about to go head out. About to roll out to Eurofed meet. Go see some folks, see some cars, and slide.
Oh, they gotta chill myself.
Yeah, okay, Tesla. Tesla was cutting up. He's sliding though. Oh? It was epic. Move, twin. We on the way to Eurofed now. That boy Ray got the big camera out.
Got me some rich nigga thought I'd change. 20-something down, so it all on time. Still hanging with devils, be broke on his brain, feel the shit up.
That should have been a thumbnail. It's a most viewed song?
Slow the bitch down, turn on that street, nigga drop one of these, had to bring out the ring. I was my whip on the way to the east, looking for a GMG, they ain't out the boy sleep. Hit it with 60 for trying to stay fit. I'm talking about switches, the foolish get busy.
Turn on the other side. Yeah, a little beam, little Audi. See, look, that's the type of girl like. Yeah, the big girl. Yeah, big girl. That's what the big girl do go hard on those. Z, like the carbon fiber fenders. Oh my goodness.
Oh, that's Alfa Romeo. I forgot what it's called.
Is that 4C?
Yeah, 4C.
4C. He just was. I think he said he was gonna be done like right at 7. Cali? Is that Cali? What's up?
Oh yeah, I'm here.
Hey, what's going on? Where's your car? Oh, right there. There it is. Yeah. T4. Yeah. This right here is a beauty though. Old school junk. Man, this white, this gloss white, this gloss white is crazy. A pearl, yeah. That's like this. Stupid.
How you get it for free? Yes.
GT3, good. GT3 is we just popped out. Huh? Yeah, Armando's over there.
What's your friend?
I don't know if he's here yet. I'm gonna see. Ramir here. I see his car over there. Who? Ramir.
Oh.
Yeah, he is actually here this time. I see his car over there. And I think what's the name of here too? Oh, the guy with the blue SV's here.
Is it to Korea? I thought it was like a Sonic. Probably used to be.
Well, that's the actual sit-down area there. That's just like a Takariya's little extra little space that they have. Let me see. I don't know if Jamil is here, bro.
We'll look around. We'll look around first.
Let's see.
There's a white one right here. Well, not but that's far.
Yeah, bro. A little bit. Good about a bit. What is it? A C63S GT3. It's a GT3 conversion. GT4. That's a GT4. That's a GT3. But it doesn't have a wing on it. That's the crazy part.
It looks good without it.
It does. That's what I'm saying. I haven't seen one without the wing. I've heard people doing it.
No, you gotta rotate.
Yeah, it's a turn. It's a turn. Yeah. It looks hard. It looks hard though. I like it.
It does actually.
It looks really good. It looks like a turbo.
Beauty.
Body bag. Yeah, roll this up. Oh, boy. So we made it to the Eurofed meet, guys. There's a bunch of beautiful cars out here. I'm gonna put them in the clips. There's a bunch of people, a bunch of cars. Lovely old school BMs, GT3 RS, Lamborghini SV, a bunch of G80s, G82s, a bunch of cars.
Low key.
Those are crazy. GT3 RS.